Good afternoon, students. Okay, in this class, we are going to do some question from compound depreciation. Yes. Okay, compound depreciation. We have already discussed on this topic. Compound depreciation means decreasing price of any machinery equipment. है कुनै पनि machinery equipment हामीले use गरेपछि त्यसको price बढ्दै जान्छ भने that is the compound depreciation. Yes, in compound depreciation the formula is PT is equal to PO 1 minus R upon 100 to the power T. Population मा formula plus मा थियो, population growth हुने भएकोले that is formula is plus, but in compound depreciation what? The price will be decrease. जो formula is what in minus. Yes, formula minus मा छ र मैले यहाँ PT लेखाएको छु. PT PO कुनै पनि किताबमा P नभएर DT DO पनि हुन्छ. डेप्रिसिएसन भएको D पनि P भनेको प्राइस हुन्छ, D भनेको डेप्रिसिएसन हुन्छ. ओके, अल यसमा पनि पपुलेसनमा जस्तै कहिले PT सोध्छ, कहिले PO सोध्छ, कहिले R सोध्छ, कहिले T. सेम थिङ हो. चारवटा कुरामा कहिले PT, कहिले PO, कहिले R, कहिले T. सेम वी हैव टु यूज दिस फर्मुला. यही फर्मुलाबाट हामीले पपुलेसन गरिसकेपछि कम्पाउन्ड डिप्रिसिएसनमा देयर इज नो डिफिकल्टीज, बट वी विल डिस्कस सम क्वेशन. है केही गाह्रो त छैन, तर हामी यसमा के छ के प्रश्नहरुमा डिस्कसन गर्दै छौं. लुक हियर मोडेल 1. यस, मोडेल 1A. The present price of a machine is 2,50,000. Present price means I don't know whether it is P or PT. Yes, मलाई थाहा छैन भने P मात्र लेख्ने. Present price means P. How much P or PT पछि लेखौँला? 2,50,000. Yes, 2,50,000 rupees. It is depreciated by 10% per annum. R is equal to 10% per annum. Find the price after 2 years. Price after 2 years. T is equal to 2 years. After 2 years price we have to know. After 2 years means what? PT. Yes, after means PT. PT is equal to what? If there is PT is asked, it should be what? P. Okay, then use the formula. What I have written this formula? Therefore what? PT is equal to PO 1 minus R upon 100 to the power T. What is PO? PO means 2,50,000. Yes. Then 1 minus R. How much R? R means 10. 10 upon 100 to the power T means 2. It's 2,50,000. 1 minus 10 is divided 100. 0.1. That is square. 2,50,000. 1 in this minus 0.9. 0.91 square. 2,50,000 into 0.91 square means what? 0.81. Yes, this is square. 0.91 square is multiply this. 2,50,000 is multiplied by 0.81. $202,500 rupees. Yes, 2,02,500 rupees. 2,02,500 rupees. Okay, this one same what we have been in population growth. Yes, population growth में जे करें त्यही छ. population growth में formula plus के भने there is minus. Same formula is the minus. यो depreciation हुने बेला घट्दै जाने बेला we have to keep this minus. Then look question number D. What is the a bicycle cost rupees 1,200 is depreciated annually by 10%. Find the price after 2 years. Okay, price of bicycle is PO. Previous price is given what? 12,000. 12,000 rupees. Depreciated by R is equal to 10% per year. Annually 10% depreciated. Find the price after 2 years. T is equal to TS. Price after 2 years means what? PT is equal to what? You have to find PT. Price after 2 years. Then use formula what? PT is equal to PO 1 minus R upon 100 to the power T. Yes, PT or P2 you can write. After 2 years you can write P2 also. What PO? PO is 12,000. Then 1 minus R. How much R? R is given 10. 10 upon 100. Then T means 2 years. Yes. 12,000. 1 minus, divide this. 10 is divided 100. 0.1. 12,000. Then this minus 0.9. 0.9 on the square. Yes, 12,000 into 0.9 on the square what? 0.81. Multiply this. 12,000 into 0.81. 9720. Yes. 9720. Okay. Nothing difficult. Yes, you can do easily. Only formula is right. परीक्षामा formula मात्रै लेखे पनि 1 मार्क्स आउँछ है. पपुलेसन मा एक फर्मुला प्लस हुन्छ भने compound depreciation मा एक फर्मुला के हुन्छ माइनस हुन्छ. Okay, then from this model I am doing another question H. है यो सैम्पलिङ क्वेशन मात्रै हो. Nothing difficult है. तिमी आफै पनि गर्न सक्छौ यसमा. खाली फर्मुला माइनस गर्ने मात्रै हो. Then H of furniture costing 16,800 depreciated at the rate of 15% per annum. What will be the cost after 2 years? After 2 years so देखो सर. इसका यो population क्या हो? PO 16,800 rupees. 16,800 rupees. Every year 15%. R is equal to 15%. Price after 2 years. T means 2 years. Then PT is equal to what? You have to find the price after 2 years. What is the formula for compound depreciation? PT is equal to PO 1 minus R upon 100 to the power T. Yes. Then P2. Yes. After 2 years, so P2. After 3 years, P3. You can write PO. How much PO? 16,800. Then 1 minus how much R? 15. 15 upon 100. Then square. Yes. 16,800. 1 minus divide this. 15 is divided by 100. 0.15. 0.15 whole square. 16,800. This and this minus 0.85. 0.85 whole square. 16,800 into 0.85 whole square. Yes, 0.85. Okay, 0.7225. 0.7225. This multiply with 16,800 into 16,800. 12138. 12138 rupees. 12,138 rupees. Okay. This up to model 1. Yes. First look there. Nothing is difficulty. Only I have used their formula only. Yes. You have to only use the formula. And after using formula, you can get the answer. Whatever I have given, I have done in the population growth. Same is here in compound depreciation. Only formula is different. Population growth we have used formula plus, and but there is what? Minus. Next, go to question number 2. Yes, model 2 or question number 2? Question number 2 on A. The value of machine bought in 2 years ago. 2 years ago, yes. T is equal to 2 years ago. Depreciated by 10% per annum. R is equal to 10% per annum. If the present population is 64,800 at the price, what was it bought? What was it bought? Like कहिले किनेको त past tense मा PO सोधेको छ yes. So this PT, how much PT is given? 64,800 rupees and how much it was bought means PO is equal to what. And the present price is 64,800 and how much it was bought मेको पहिला कतिमा किनेको थियो, so it is the PO is equal to what. Then you have to use formula PT is equal to what, PO 1 minus R upon 100 to the power T. Then what is PT? PT is 64,800. Then PO, how much PO? PO is what? Nothing given, so write PO. Then 1 minus R, how much R? 10. 10 upon 100. Then T means 2. Yes, 64,800 is equal to PO 1 minus this divide. 10 is divided is 0.1. 0.1 square. 64,800 is equal to PO into, sorry, not this minus this, 1 minus this, 0.9. 0.91 square. 64,800 is equal to PO into this one square, 0.81. Yes, 0.9. 0.91 square, 0.81. Divide this. PO is equal to 64,800 is divided by 0.81. How much PO? 64,800. 64,800 is divided by 0.81. 80,000. 80,000 rupees. That's answer. Here you have to write R. Yes. R. There is there. Last is there. Yes. Same question. Again, हामीले PT दिएको, PT निकालेको थियौं PO बाट, र अहिले हामी यसमा PT दिएको छ र we are finding PO. Okay, same question छ. अहिले फर्मुला मात्र डिफरेन्ट हो. PO निकालेदा हामीले पपुलेसन पनि पढेको थियौं है. Okay. Then another question C. The cost is depreciated at the rate of 10% per annum. R is equal to 10% per annum. The cost of a motorcycle after 3 years. After 3 years, this. T is equal to 3 years. After 3 years means what? PT. How much price of the motorcycle after 3 years? 87,480. 87,480. 87,480 rupees. Calculate the original price of the motorcycle. Original price is previous price. Yes. PO is equal to what? Okay. Then use formula. What is the formula of population? Sorry, compound depreciation. PT is equal to PO 1 minus R upon 100 to the power T. What is PT? PT is given 87,480. Yes. PO is not given PO. Then 1 minus how much R? R is given 10. 10 upon 100 to the power T. T means 3. 87,480 is equal to PO 1 minus this divide 0.1. 0.1 to the power 3. 87,480 is equal to PO, this and this 0.9. 0.913. Yes. This 87,480 is equal to PO into 0.91 cube. 0.729. Yes. 0.9 into 0.9 into 0.9. Then divide this. PO is equal to 87,480 is divided by 0.729. Then PO is equal to 87,480. Yes. 87,480 is divided by 0.729. 1,20,000. 1,20,000. We class, right? PO र PT मात्रै we have to be careful. PO र PT मा मात्रै अलिकति हामी केयरफुल हुने हो. PO दिएर PT पनि सोध्न सक्छ र PT दिएर PO पनि सोध्न सक्छ. Okay. Copy this. मोडल 1 मा हामीले PO दिएको थियो, PT फाइन्डिङ गरेका थियौं। यहाँ PT दिएको छ, PO फाइन्डिङ गरेका छौं। नाउ वी आर गोइङ टु मोडल 3। अब हामी मोडल 3 जाँदै छौं। मोडल 3 मा टाइम निकाल्नु छ। T टाइम निकाल्ने हाम्रो लागि नयाँ होइन। टाइम निकाल्ने क्वेशन वी हैव अलरेडी डन है, पहिले पनि गरेको छौं हामीले। केमा इन्ट्रेस्टमा पनि गरेको छौं, पपुलेसन ग्रोथमा पनि गरेका छौं र अहिले आएर फेरि हामी के छ कम्पाउन्ड डिप्रिसिएसनमा पनि टाइम निकाल्दै छौं। टाइम निकाल्ने क्वेशन पनि सेम छ। ल 3(1)A a factory bought ₹4 lakh some years ago. Ago means PO. How much? 4 lakh. 4 lakh rupees मा किनिएको थियो। And now its value is 1,96,000. Now means PT. पहिला किनेको 1,96,000 rupees. Its price is now. If the value of factory is depreciated at 30% per annum, R is equal to 30% per annum. When was the factory bought? Time is equal to what? Yes, previous population is given 4 lakh and after population is given 1,96,000 and depreciated rate is what? 30%. Then you have to find time. Whatever asked, just so in formula there, PT is equal to what? PO 1 minus R upon 100 to the power T. Okay, what is PT? PT is given 1,96,000. PO means what? 4 lakh. 4 lakh. 1 minus R. R is 30. 30 upon 100 to the power T. This comes below this. 196,000 upon 4 lakh. This is equal to 1 minus 30 is divided by 100, 0.3 to the power T. Divide 1,96,000 is divided by what? 4 lakh. 196,000 divide 4 lakh. 4 0.49. Yes, this is divided 0.49 is equal to this and this minus 0.7 T निकाल्ने बेलामा यताको ब्रेकेट र यताको ब्रेकेट should be same हुनु पर्छ। हामीले बारम्बार भनेको यहाँ 0.77 यहाँ 0.49 0.49 लाई यसले मल्टिप्लाई गर्दै हाल्ने 0.7 मल्टिप्लाई 0.7 गरेर 77 ला 49 ले स्क्वायर भयो नि त। 0.7 लाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा 2 टाइम्स हो 0.71 स्क्वायर is equal to 0.7 to the power T. 0.7 is cancelled. Therefore, T is equal to 2 here. T calculation we have already done in population growth as well as in interest. है population growth मा पनि गरेको हो र interest मा पनि गरेको। हाम्रो लागि कुनै नौलो किसिमको क्वेशन चाहिँ छैन है, सेम क्वेशन हो। यही फर्मुलाबाट we have to find this. हामीले यो फाइन्डिङ गर्नुपर्नेछ। Okay, then go to another question number D. Okay, read this question number D. Question number D. The present price of a car is ₹20 lakh. If the price reduced every year 10%, how many years each will be priced will be what? 14,58,000. Okay, then D. Previous population P is equal to 20 lakh. 20 lakh rupees, yes, previous population. Then depreciation rate 10%. R is equal to 10%. And after this PT, 14,58,000. 14,58,000 rupees. Then we have to find time is equal to what? Yes. What is the formula? Then PT is equal to PO 1 plus R upon 1 minus R upon 100 to the power T. Formula there you. What is the PT? PT 14,58,000. Then PO 20 lakh. Then 1 minus how much R? 10. 10 upon 100 to the power t. T is not given t. Okay, take this below. 14,58,000 upon 20 lakh is equal to 1 minus divide. 10 is divided by 100, 0.1. 0.1 to the power t. Okay, divide this. 14,58,000. 1,458,000. Divide 0.729. 0.729 is equal to this and this minus 0.9 to the power t. फादर t निकाल्ने बेलामा दुवैतिरको ब्रेकेट बराबर हुनुपर्छ. पछाडी 0.9 छ भने अगाडि पनि 0.9. 0.9 लाई क्याल्कुलेटरमा मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने कतिचोटि 0.9 into 0.9 into 0.9 कतिचोटि मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा हुन्छ? तीनचोटि मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा हुन्छ है. तीनचोटि भनेको कति? 0.91 क्यूब is equal to what? 0.91 power t. 0.9 0.9 is cancelled. There is t is equal to 3s. Then another question, question number Z. Okay, question number Z. The present price of a bus is 40 lakh. If the price reduced every year by 10%, after how many years the price will be 29? Okay, 29 lakh 16,000. Yes. Okay. Previous population price is given PO 40 lakh. 40 lakh rupees. Then R 10% and PT how much? 29 lakh 16,000 rupees. Then find it. You have to find the time. Time is equal to what? What you have to use formula? PT. PT is equal to PO 1 minus R upon 100 to the power t. What is PT? PT 29 lakh 16,000. PO is 40 lakh. Then 1 minus how much R? 10. 10 upon 100 to the power t. This comes below this. 20 lakh 1,600 is divided by 40 lakh. Is equal to 1 minus, divide this. 10 is divided by 100, 0.1. 0.1 to the power t. Okay, divide this. 2916000 divided by 400000. 0.729. Yes, this 0.729 is equal to this and this minus 0.9 to the power t. यहाँ 0.9 छ भने हामीले 0.9 लिनु पर्यो है. 0.9 लाई कतिचोटि 0.9 अघि निकालेको छ. 0.9 लाई तीनचोटि हुन्छ. 7 to 9 भनेको 0.91 क्यूब is equal to 0.9 to the power t. 0.9 0.9 is cancelled. T is equal to yes. Okay, t निकालेको छ सेम छ है. जसरी हामीले पपुलेसन ग्रोथमा निकाल्यौं, जसरी हामीले इन्ट्रेस्टमा निकालेको थियौं, सेम हो छ. टी निकाल्ने बेलामा दुवैतिर ब्रेकेट इक्वल हुनुपर्छ र ब्रेकेट ब्रेकेट क्यान्सल गरेपछि माथिको इन्डिसेसलाई हामी इक्वल गर्नुपर्छ. ओके, देन गो टु लास्ट मोडल, देन मोडल 4. र मोडल 4 मा हामीलाई रेट निकाल्नु पर्नेछ. यस, सेम क्वेशन रेट. फोर 1A The value of an article depreciated 1600 to rupees 1024. Previous price is equal to 1600 rupees and depreciated to what? 1024 rupees. Is in 2 years. T is equal to T years. Find the rate of depreciation. You have to find R. Yes. What is the formula? PT is equal to PO 1 minus R upon 100 to the power T. What is PT? 1024 is equal to PO 1600. Then 1 minus R. How much R? R is not given. R upon 100. T means what? 2. Yes, this comes below this. 1024 is divided by 1600 is equal to 1 minus R upon 101 square. Divide this. 1024 is divided by 1600. 1024 divided 1600. 0.64. 0.64 is equal to 1 minus R upon 101 square. अब T निकाल्ने बेलामा दुवैतिर ब्रैकेट बराबर गर्नुपर्छ भने R निकाल्ने बेलामा यताको पावर बराबर, यता स्क्वायर छ भने यता पनि स्क्वायर, यता क्यूब छ भने यता पनि क्यूब, यता स्क्वायर छैन भने यो कतिको स्क्वायर हो त? क्याल्कुलेटरमा अन्डर रुट 0.8 स्क्वायर 0.64 भनेको 0.8 को स्क्वायर 0.81 स्क्वायर is equal to 1 minus R upon 101 square. Square cancel. R upon 100 like minus will be R upon 100 is equal to what? 1 0.8 will be minus 0.8. R upon 100 is equal to this and this minus 0.2. Yes, cross multiply. Therefore, R is equal to 0.2 and this multiply 20%. That's easy. R निकाल्ने बेलामा हामीले के गर्नुपर्ने छ? दुवैतिरको पावर सेम गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ है। टाइम निकाल्ने बेलामा चाहिँ हामीले ब्रैकेट सेम गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ र R निकाल्ने बेलामा we have to make the power सेम। यता स्क्वायर छ भने यता पनि स्क्वायर र यता क्यूब छ भने यता पनि हामीले क्यूब गर्नुपर्छ। Then I am doing last question. Yes. Question number D. The radio costing 6,000 is depreciated per year, and 2 years later it becomes 5,415. Okay, previous price that is body हुन्छ 6,000 rupees, and after 2 years. 2 years, what is price? 5,450 rupees. And find the rate of depreciation. You have to find rate. What is the formula? PT is equal to PO 1 minus R upon 100 to the power T. What is PT? PT is given 5,450. PO, how much PO? 6,000. And 1 minus R. How much R is not given? R upon 100 to the power T. T means 2 years. Yes. This comes below this. 5,450 upon 6,000 is equal to 1 minus R upon 101 square. Divide this 5,415. 5,415 is divided by 6,000. 0.9025. Yes, 0.9025 and 1 minus R upon 101 square. If there is square, there should be square. Right? यता square नहीं था। यो कति को square होगा? Calculate में square करने under root 0.95 होगा। 0.951 square is equal to 1 minus R upon 101 square. This square is cancelled, yes. Then bring this r upon 100 front side, minus by value plus r upon 100, 1. This goes back this 0.95. Yes. How much? R upon 100 is equal to this and this minus 0.05. Then cross multiply, r is equal to this and this multiply how much? 5%. सबै क्वेसन त्यस्तै प्रकारको छ। यो कम्पाउन्ड डिप्रिसिएसन हाम्रो लागि त्यति गाह्रो छैन। तल लङ क्वेसन पनि छ, लङ क्वेसन पनि आर निकाल्नु पर्ने छ। यु क्यान डु योरसेल्फ है, यस्तै प्रकारको छ। दुईटा लङ क्वेसन छ, यु हैव टु डु। ओके, वी हैव फिनिश दिस population growth as well as compound interest. Among these two, short question is asked. Sometimes it can be asked in long question as well. Long question मा पनि कहिले काहीँ सोध्न सक्छ, तर short question मा बढी possibility छ। Short question मा भनेको 4 को B मा that can be asked in your examination. Okay, and next class we will do VAT, tax and last price. Okay, keep this much for today. Thank you.